Now, again, the movie is very, very long. It's a good 3 hours. So I went ahead and I broke it up for you. I gave you when that part of the movie stops by section. So if you're doing it by section, you can easily go back to the movie, rewatch that section, and then answer the questions. It is definitely PG-13. It was a TV movie in the 90s, so the effects are kind of funny. But there are parts of this movie that are very awkward, so just be aware of that. And then remember that your answers should not look exactly like some other of your peers. They should be a little bit different. So for part A, there is about 30 minutes that are not technically the Odyssey. This is the Iliad. The Iliad is the first book by Homer. The Odyssey would be the sequel. So the Iliad goes over how Odysseus became Odysseus. The first thing you're going to see is Odysseus running. His wife, Penelope, is pregnant with their only son, Telemachus. And then we have our kind of Lion King moment where Telemachus is born, Odysseus shows him the kingdom, and then immediately after, he is told that he has to go fight in the Trojan War. That takes 10 years. So the very first 30 minutes are dedicated to all those kind of ideas. You see Odysseus, you see his wife Penelope, Telemachus, Ithaca, his kingdom. You see him leaving for Troy, fighting on Troy. And that's where you're going to answer 1 through 4. For part B, it's about 13 minutes. So this is the Cyclops, what you already read. This is the visual of it. So this is what we would say is the technical start of the Odyssey. So again, it's one of the most widely used monsters. You have probably seen many versions of that one-eyed sun. So you're just answering 1, 2, and 3. Now this section is extremely long. It is extremely short in the text, but it's extremely long in the movie. So after he escapes the Cyclops, he has 3 different encounters with 3 different beings. So first we have Aeolus, who has a bag of wind, which you have also probably seen in SpongeBob. We have the enchantress Circe, who is an evil enchantress. And you have Tiresias, who is from the land of the dead, which you're going to see in the movie as well, of course. So that takes quite a long time, about 50 minutes or so. So just be aware that it is quite long. And then you're going to answer those 4 questions. And then it goes back and forth, kind of to show you Ithaca in Odysseus's absence, and it shows you what Odysseus is doing.